Here is the recipe of the simplest form of chicken ever, the chicken korma with potatoes. I've shared quite a lot of chicken recipes on the blog, but most of them require some effort to go and buy the essential ingredients required for them, but this one is pretty basic. So, whenever in doubt about what to cook, this chicken korma with potatoes serves its purpose of being the simplest chicken recipe. Follow the easy step-by-step process mentioned below and prepare this at home. I hope you will love this one as well. Preparation time, 15 to 20 minutes. Cooking time, 30 minutes. Serving, 4. Ingredients to marinate the chicken and potato. Ingredients: quantity chicken half a kilogram, potato 2 curd 1 cup, red chili powder, lal mirch half teaspoon, turmeric powder, haldi half teaspoon, ginger garlic paste, adrak-lehsun paste 2 teaspoon, cardamom green powder, choti ilaichi powder 1/4 teaspoon, fenugreek leaves, kasuri methi half teaspoon, salt to taste. Ingredients for korma: bay leaf 2 to 3 cinnamon stick, 1-inch piece mustard oil, 1 cup ghee, 3 tablespoons onion, 4 red chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon salt to taste, coriander leaves for garnish, kevra water 1 teaspoon. Ingredients to grind: cumin seeds, jeera 1 teaspoon, cloves, long 6 black pepper, kali mirch half teaspoon, cardamom green, choti ilaichi 3 cardamom brown, badi ilaichi 1 coconut grated, kaddukes kiya nariyal 3 tablespoons, mace, javitri half blade, nutmeg, jaifal 1/8 teaspoon, cashew nuts, kaju 12 to 13, ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon, tomato 1. Method 1. Clean and wash the chicken well. Peel off the skin of potato and cut the potato into 1-inch pieces. Take the chicken and potato in a bowl and add all the ingredients given in the table. Ingredients to marinate the chicken and potato: mix it well. Keep it aside for 2 to 3 hours for marinating. 2. Keep all the ingredients ready for grind. 3. Take all the ingredients given in the table above ingredients for grind. Grind it to make the fine paste. You can add 3 to 4 tablespoons water while grinding it to make a fine paste. 4. Heat the pressure cooker with oil and saute with bay leaf and cinnamon stick. Then add chopped onion. 5. Fry till onion are light golden brown in the color. 6. Then add ground paste, red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder and salt. 7. Add 1 cup water. Close the lid of the pressure cooker and pressure cook it on high flame for 1 whistle, then keep the flame very low and cook for another 10 minutes. Switch off the flame. 8. Heat another wok with 2 tablespoons oil and add marinated chicken and potato. Fry it for 6 to 7 minutes till oil shows separately. 9. Open the cooker and add fried chicken and ghee. Cook it on low flame for another 8 to 10 minutes till oil shows separately and nice aroma comes from the spices. Then add 1 cup water, close the lid again, and pressure cook it for 1 whistle on high flame. Then keep the flame medium and cook for another 4 to 5 minutes. Switch off the flame, let the pressure settles down, open cooker, add kevra and garnish with coriander leaves. 10. Delicious potato chicken korma is ready to serve. Serve hot with chapati, naan or rice. 11. Enjoy.